Welcome back to the official CABSAT podcast powered by Northtelecom. Joining me now is Donovan, who is the Senior Sales Manager for EMEA at the States. Welcome, Miles.
Thank you. Sure.
Miles, why don't you introduce yourself and your company to the audience who might not know you, your company?
Sure. So Miles Donovan, as you said, look after sales and business development for a number of territories or regions across EMEA. Middle East is a big market for Christie. Christie have been around for 95 years now. We've been in the Gulf and the Middle East for 15 plus years with an office. So we're set up here to support the market. And we've had a good 3 days at the Integrate show. It's been good fun.
So what are you introducing this year in terms of product or services at Integrate?
So we've got a number of products on stands. So a mixture of display products, so projection and LED. We're also actually got some flat panels on there too, showing our media servers, and our media servers are ingesting the content and throwing that all around the stand in many shapes and forms. And we're also showing quite a large element of interactivity, which is we've got an immersive room basically, and it's creating quite a buzz. So we get a lot of people coming in, and wow, this is great because you can really engage with the content, and so that's kind of the key things that we're showing this year at Integrate.
Gotcha. So, what opportunities and challenges do you see in the market regionally as well?
I think there's a number in terms of the market is strong, and I'd say it's growing. I think there's a big opportunity and requirement for Christie to be training the market in terms of not just what we do, but I think what can be achieved with integrated solutions and bringing more than just a display together to create an experience. So for us, we're all about kind of educating as to what we are. We're far more than just a display. And at the same time, a big piece of what we do at the minute is really service and support. And so it's great working on some projects, but you really need to ensure that once that's been installed, it's fit for purpose throughout its lifespan. So one of the things we're also talking about is our professional services as Christie and with our partners in the region to ensure that our customers are well supported through that journey.
Okay. So I guess you also touched on my next question. It's how your products and services takes these challenges about the tainted beasts. And for something more you'd like to add to it?
So we try and have a real consultative approach to our customers, our projects, and the challenge, the problems they're trying to solve. So yes, we do, I suppose, have more kind of standardized products and services that we can promote and share. But really, it's about getting an understanding of what the client is looking to achieve. And so we want to kind of be a bit more bespoke and tailored to their needs. So it's really about having a conversation and taking it from there.
Brilliant. And finally, what do you hear visitors talking about at the show this year?
Lots of things. We've had a real mixed bag of conversations in many different applications. Interactivity and immersive environments is quite a bit of a buzzword at the minute, and hence why we've kind of taken the stand to try and show something a little bit different and in our design and our thought process. But yeah, I think the cool thing about this market in particular is that it's it is very diverse, right? So we've had conversations with integrators of all different natures and projects that they're working on. We've had live events companies that we're speaking to this week. So I think that's what makes this, not just this market, but in general, we're able to have those conversations with a real wide variety of customers. So again, a little bit like that kind of service piece. We want to have a conversation because we think we can unlock more than perhaps is perceived of Christie. And that's what's been enjoyable this week.
Carlos, thank you so much, Miles, for taking the time out of your very busy schedule to let us on that podcast. And we wish you a great rest of the show.
Thank you very much. Good to meet you.